This is the working place of lots of hot freelancers looking to work with companies all over the world. Here you're in complete control of your masterpieces, as there are no excessive restrictions imposed on you at freelancer.com, and no money whatsoever will be deducted from your account until the job has been finished. Why do they do this? So that they can assure you that you will get paid on time regardless of whether it's a short or long-term task. This is the working place of lots of hot freelancers looking to work with companies all over the world. Here you're in complete control of your masterpieces, as there are no excessive restrictions imposed on you at freelancer.com, and no money whatsoever will be deducted from your account until the job has been finished. Why do they do this? So that they can assure you that you will get paid on time regardless of whether it's a short or long-term task. Fiverr. Now we come to the second best site for freelancers. Disputes can affect you and your clients' work negatively when it comes down to a conflict with other companies, but with Fiverr, don't be afraid about it. Fiverr has built an amazing sixth sense for feelings and intentions. They know it when a project is being done personally or professionally, and so by bringing an issue up on their site in this way makes life much easier for both seller and buyer. Many people using both platforms report being really happy with the results and how easy they found working together. Always outlined in your face, it's very clear who the person is you are working with and the work they can produce. The platform is easy to use and has a huge community that makes it one of the best freelance platforms out there for getting your hand in. Reddit jobs. Reddit can be used for random questions, but it does hold some fantastic jobs which are freelance relevant. This site is used by some companies to contract people from this networking. No matter if you are an app developer, graphic artist, or a writer, you can easily advertise your skills on Reddit and put looks up for different desks, having to back up each month, usually not a huge amount, but I don't think the few pounds each month is much considering it can get you paid. Best thing about this site is there isn't any stiffing clients when things go wrong, hence uncertainty, as many other hookups have. Reddit wrote me an email telling me it wasn't working, with no real explanation why. I never heard anything else further, because if they had problems with my project that didn't mention these issues, then why not call me out on them? At least let me have answers. The correspondence took all of a week or so because of what they could pull themselves together that quick. They're not hurting to collaborate. Odesk. Odesk is considered one of the oldest sites for freelancing and job applications. In this world of other people doing every little aspect, everything for a small percentage, not including the billions who believe just like them it should all be free, such an old-fashioned concept must look pretty badass. Odesk changed their views about free credit on their site 4 years ago, and since then have been trying to encourage freelancers to do their best and help each other within their industry. The team is always keen on accommodating the needs and wants of its employers, but unfortunately many freelancers only want to apply or perform tasks that being offered to go 70% plus and nothing below 40% less, you signing away your rights. My advice is, before you apply here, check around through class sites with your interests in relation to doing the same type of job and see what they'll offer you in comparison. Also, if you're looking for a free credit, check around other sites, but not Google, because when you want to view it like Google Ads, search on Odesk under their acronym and notice the little error message popping up, known to many as a red text. But this too is overridden by paid ads, making it no different than those quite cheap marketplaces maybe. However, they take 5 forms maximum before one is actually paid. Still, it doesn't take away from the fact there's still good choice of people who can be hired by employers all over the world for freelancer jobs. Elance. Elance has improved in recent times, some of more than others with my experience with them, but for freelance writing job discussions, accept Elance as fine pick out of many such listings who are looking for people to set their stories on paper. It may not sound like a huge deal, however, have you ever sat down and put your hands together, eyes closed, and focused on the type of service only someone like you can perform? Nature gives us some talents which may empower us by helping us in our line of work, but even then we all need help at times. These kind of pieces need care and consideration, dedication, determination, and respect from all those willing to assist. Upwork. Upwork is another freelance writing platform from the web where people of all stripes give their services to the online world. Here too is an easier place to buy a quick story or get help in whatever area of writing you have an interest in. It's a good opportunity if you need just a quick question answer job done, and will also accept paid submissions in later stages as indicated by all kinds of samples that are there on offer. Although with just 4, I found it gone past the quantity and quality where they should be, but then again maybe I don't study the right areas or flog much of this space. and might be needing to broaden myself with more secure proof. It was finally down to Odesk numbers along with their additional services and different ratings, which proved too stiff for me, knocking me out of the grand final ahead of Class E, though not by much. Over time, as this platform grows, so as well as resources will continue on, find a viable space for learning or conducting alongside your main duty.